Get a microwave safe container, pour in 1 cup of water and 100 grams of dark chocolate. Now just put this in the microwave and put it in there for about 1 minute. Then give it a stir and then repeat for 30-second bursts and stir it until it's completely melted and become one with itself. Alright, that's done. Now just set this aside to let it cool and we'll get on to the next part. Get a mixing bowl, and you can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer, and throw in 125 grams of softened butter. Then add 1 1/4 cups of packed brown sugar. Now mix this until it's pale and creamy. Now add 3 eggs, just add 1 at a time. Now add 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of plain flour, and add 1 1/2 cups of self-raising flour. Now add the melted chocolate mixture now that it's cool. Just spoon the mixture in. You can have it whatever height you want. Now pop these in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius, which is about 320 degrees Fahrenheit. They should take about 15 minutes. If you make larger ones, they'll take probably about 20. Alrighty then. Now just leave these to cool. You can transfer them to a wire rack if you wish. You can leave them in here. You can take them out of the silicone or whatever you've used. And once they've cooled, we will make the ganache. Get a microwave safe bowl and put in 100 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams of sour cream. Now pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds, give it a stir, and repeat that process until it's all melted and it's well combined and creamy. Now let this cool down a bit before you put it onto the mini cupcakes. Now get your ganache and just spread it over the top as much as you want. Well, I hope you like these. Yum, 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 yum. Simple cooking, simple cooking.